marginalization. And we might hear many people saying, even us, we are marginalized. But it is after devolution that we got the first national school. I had to travel all the way to Kiambu County to study my high school, to access a national school. Rarely do we see students being placed to national schools in Garissa County, because we have national schools now. That is the challenge that we are addressing in marginalization. And the reason this money was set aside was to bring these counties to come to the level of the other regions. But we are seeing the debate going around of 1 man, 1 shilling. This discussion will further divide our country. We do not want to add any more wounds, because when I hear 1 man, 1 shilling, I will stand here and say 1 shilling, 1 kilometer. So that every county from the marginalized areas get equal share of the national resources, because we all pay taxes. We are not a guest of anybody. We deserve to get these resources. The only discussion that should be on the floor of this house is to audit how the monies were utilized, is to audit how equalization fund will be managed under the county government when national government projects are proposed. Because, Mr. Speaker, 2 months ago, my people from the region I come from were washed away in a boat because they were attempting to cross a road. And when I hear my colleague Wandeto say even his constituency is marginalized, I went to that constituency. And even the roads leading to the cattle depot were tarmacked. And they were fully marked. And they had zebra crossings, when I have never seen a tarmac road with my eyes. I come from a constituency that if it rains, I don't even make plans to go. Currently, I was not able to access my own county, my own constituency, because I needed to get a chopper. Mr. Speaker, I do not have money to get a chopper. I am only paid enough to fuel my car and go visit my home. But the floods come, we do not get budgets for dams. If this money is released and utilized appropriately, Mr. Speaker, we will get dams so that we do not have the issue of floods in my region. The farmers keep investing every rainfall season. By the time the droughts are coming, the floods have washed away our resources. Mr. Speaker, we have livestock. Monies meant for livestock are never seen in my region. So such debates should not focus or should not be politicized. It should be about equality. You cannot govern a country that is poor. You cannot govern a country that do not receive the equal share of resources. Mr. Speaker, it is very unfair for the debate to even go beyond what it should be. The focus should be on how to empower the existing communities that are marginalized. The debate should be on that. But regions that have had hospitals per 2 kilometers are coming here to tell us we are marginalized. It is not a debate that we can stomach. It is not reasonable. Like I said, I need to find a boat every time it floods, while somebody can just drive down. So the conversation must take a different angle. We need to audit what has been released, how have these funds been allocated, so that we are able to get equal share. But when Central Kenya, for example, or regions that have always enjoyed monopoly of getting the national resources, come here and tell us we are marginalized, Mr. Speaker. Yet schools in my region need to be built. CDF is building high schools, nursery schools. There is a demand for that because of the population increase. I come from a family where we are over 20. My mother has 30 sisters and 30 uncles. Yes, so that such resources are utilized equally. Our populations in ASAL regions are increasing because we have more than 4 wives. We have more than 3 wives and 4 wives. Places that have such demand to have nursery schools, while other places are closing down because they have no schools, no children to attend their schools. They cannot get such resources. We have to fight for what is ours, and we have to have a conversation that brings unity. 1 man, 1 shilling is a distraction. It brings hatred. It brings a lot of negativity. If 1 man, 1 shilling is brought, we will say 1 shilling, 1 kilometer. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
The Honorable